Hello and welcome to the Maths Matrix. My name's Rebecca and I'm a maths tutor. In this introductory video, I want to cover who the channel is aimed at, how it's going to work, and a few rules that I'd like people to stick to in using the channel. So first of all, who is the channel aimed at? The channel is aimed mainly at GCSE and A-level students, and I think it's probably going to be most useful for students who are on the cusp of the foundation and higher paper. So maybe students who are sitting foundation at the moment but hope that they'll get moved up to the higher paper, or students who are already on the higher paper and would like to improve their grade. I also think it'll be quite useful for A-level students who perhaps have some gaps in their GCSE knowledge that are holding them back. And in time, I'd like to add some dedicated A-level content to the channel as well. It's definitely not a primary school channel or even really a Key Stage 3 channel. Key Stage 3 students and students who are definitely going to be staying on foundation tier might find some bits of the channel useful, but other bits might move a little quickly. So mainly it's for foundation moving to higher or A-level students, just because that's who I'm most used to teaching in real life. So it's what I'm best at. If you're an adult learner who would like to improve your maths knowledge to GCSE standard but won't actually be sitting an exam, then welcome to you also. I think you'll also find the channel useful. I am going to be working on the assumption that people who are watching this channel are going to be sitting a formal exam, just because I think most people will be. But if you are watching just to improve your maths without sitting a formal exam, then that's fine as well. I'm sure there'll still be things that you can take from the channel. Okay, now let's cover how the channel's going to work. Now, I know there are already quite a lot of maths channels on YouTube, but I'd like to run mine a little bit differently. As far as possible, I'd like to run the videos as if you were here in front of me having a one-to-one lesson. That means that I'll be doing all the things that I would do in a normal lesson with somebody. So I'll be making dictated notes with you, I'll be doing worked examples on the board, and I'll be giving you questions to practice. At the beginning of each video, I'll try to remember to give you a list of equipment that you'll be needing for that video so that you can be prepared and have everything that you need to join in. Most of my videos will be made for you to join in with, because maths is a subject that you really improve at most by doing. So it's not really a subject that you watch or listen to, it's something that you get involved with. So I'm hoping that you will make the notes and try the questions. If you do want to just watch the videos, that's up to you. I can't see you, and I'm sure you'll still get something from the videos, but for best effect, I think it is best to join in and actually do the activities. I know I'm going to feel a bit weird leaving big pauses on camera where I normally leave pauses for students to make notes, but hopefully you'll be so busy making notes of your own that you won't notice how silly I look just standing, saying nothing, I hope. On the subject of looking silly, I would like to cover a few rules now, please, for using the channel. I've been very undecided about whether to allow comments on the channel or not, because I know that the comment section of YouTube can be really brutal, but it can also be very useful. I've decided I will allow comments in the beginning and we'll see how it goes, but there are a few things I'd like you to stick to, please. The first one is no doxing. If you know me in real life or you know who I am, please don't share that around in the comment section or elsewhere on the internet. I have another job besides maths tutoring. I like to keep the two separate. So yeah, please no doxing. It's not cool and there is no need for it. Number 2. No trolling, please, of me or of anyone else. I'm acutely aware already of my annoying little habits and mannerisms, so I do not need you to comment and let me know about them. Also, if somebody makes a comment, perhaps asking a question that you think is silly or it's got spelling mistakes in or whatever, please be kind, please don't troll them for it. It's not nice, it's not necessary. So if you can't be polite and helpful, then please just be quiet. Please also try to keep comments relevant. This is a maths channel, not a chat room, so please try and keep the comments that you make broadly relevant to the video in question. And please try and remember when you're commenting as well that a lot of the viewers will be of school age, so please keep your language and the actual content of the comment age appropriate, please. Finally, I don't think that too much screen time is healthy. I don't think it's healthy for me. I don't think it's healthy for anyone. So I am probably not going to spend a lot of time reading the comments or responding to them. So by all means, comment if you want to, perhaps if you have a question or something, but I am probably not going to be responding to comments. So please don't be offended if I don't leave you one of those little hearts or if I don't personally get back to you. I just want to try and minimise the time that I spend at screens. I already spend a lot of time at a screen as part of my other job, so I don't want to spend a lot of my free time reading through comments, moderating comments and replying to them. So I will leave the comment section open because I think it could be a useful resource for people to ask questions about bits that they've perhaps not understood and for other people to help them with it. But please do just keep them respectful, kind, and don't be offended if I myself don't respond. Right, I think that's everything I wanted to cover in this introductory video. I'm very excited to get started with proper mathematical content and I really hope that you'll find it useful. See you soon.